I'm sorry, what are you saying?
Daddy.
What is Daddy?
I'm saying something else. I'm saying get up. Get off.
It's the biker gang.
That's what.
Hi, Mommy,
And the captain.
Mommy, watch me. I just need to get on the sidewalk. Watch me. Mom, can you stop me on the sidewalk?
Stop me up!
Watch me.
I'm watching Olympic.
Mama,
Look at you. We're ready for a bigger bike. We're watching on him. Oh, you're off. She's going through the green. See, oh, there she is. She's like, I would say Lance Armstrong, but he's been tainted with controversy. And she's coming through the corner. And past the fountain. Oh, it's dusk. Oh, and she's a mountain biker. And she's gonna crash. Woohoo! Take that, bike.